Good morning students, welcome to the session on Excel Foundation. In our today's session we are working with a table. In a table also we will be having few options like changing the colors that we have seen in earlier sessions, that we are going to see in our today's session also, as well as we are going to wrap the text. Wrapping the text is nothing but when you are entering the text into your cells, it may become a larger data into that particular cell. Cell width will be smaller now. Then when you are entering the text more than that, then that will be unseen when you are going for the next cell. But in order to make them visible, we will go for the wrapping of text. That will be a case of alignment, I can say. In the previous session we have discussed about the alignments now. In that the one is alignment that we are going to see in our today's session, as well as how we will be filling the colors, how we will be giving the colors to our text that we are going to see in our today's session. Okay, now let us start the session. Observe on your screen how we are going to wrap the text that you are going to see on my screen, I can say. Just open it. Just I will go for the table that we have seen in the earlier session, and I will make some different design. Suppose this is our design. So consider if I am inserting one more row here, just I am using tab space so that one more row will be inserted. 104, and my name is, say suppose my name is this Radha Krishna. See the length of the name. See Radha, Ram, Sham, they are fitted into your cells, but in case of this Radha Krishna, it is not that much suitable for this particular cell, I can say. The length of the characters will be increased when we are comparing with your cell width. Okay, then when I am going for the next tab, next cell, then when I am entering the data like this, 98, some 56, some 85. So consider when I am giving the next data cell, your name will disappear like this. Okay, in order to not happen that, what we are going to do is we are going to wrap the text. Wrapping the text means automatically adjusting the width or length of the your cell, I can say. So consider if I am going with this. So consider if I am going with the home tag. Already you people know how you people will go for alignment. Okay, home tag and alignment, dialog box launcher. Then there you people will be getting the alignment tab over here. Here in this you people will be having wrap text. Just click on OK, so that automatically your content will be displayed at your screen. They will be adjusting the length and width of your cell, I can say. According to that, it will be displaying the content. Okay, say suppose if you are having one more option in this only. Okay, just I'll go for one more option. I'll go for home tab. I'll go for alignment. I'll go for dialog box launcher, and here you are having shrink. Okay, shrink to fit. Just click on OK. So this automatically it will adjust the size of your font so that it can fit into your cell. Okay. For one thing I can do like this. If you are having multiple things into your cells, if you are having multiple names which are having a lengthier text, then you can automatically adjust by selecting the cell, by selecting the column, by selecting the row, I can say. According to your wish, it will be fitting the content of your cells, content of your table, I can say, according to the user's requirement. Okay, now see if say suppose if I am completely selecting this. So consider if I am going for the next one. So I will be typing my name itself. Okay, 105 English. See the length is very larger. Okay, if I am going with some marks like this, then see which one it is available like that only. But in order to view the complete name, then I need to go for the cell and I need to look at the formula bar. But it should not happen like that, no. That's the reason I will be selecting complete column. Okay, or directly you can select your table completely. Okay, so that it will automatically adjust when you are going for the next one. Okay, so consider if you are going for multiple columns like this. Okay, all the columns. Okay, if I am going with the alignment, if I am going for the wrap text. Okay, click on OK, then automatically it will adjust like this. Okay, if you are giving the space, then that will be giving the next line. If you are not giving the space, then automatically it will adjust the characters. Say consider if I am going with one more row, where I will be inserting one more name. Say which will be the bigger name I can say. I will take Shiva Shankar. Okay, Shiva Shankar. See, automatically it is displaying on the screen. Okay, when I am going for the next tab, automatically it will display the data in a rapid style. If you are going for string style, then automatically it will string the data like this. If I am going with this, if I am stringing the data, click on OK, then automatically it will string the data according to the cell width. Okay, like this you can adjust the cells width as well as you can adjust the text size, I can say. Okay, and already I told you people how you people will fill the color. Completely you can fill the color to your table, or else you can select a few tabs. So consider if I am selecting this names, you can select any part of your table. I am selecting the names. Okay, you can fill the color by using the home tab, where you people will be having the font group. You people will have fill color. Okay, you can select any color. So consider if you are selecting this, if you are selecting one more color like this. Okay, you can select any color, but I am showing you the example. You can color the font also. Okay, see it is in black color now. Then you can select the cells in which you want to have the font color. Then you can go with the colors like this. Okay, you can see the preview over there. By that you can select the content font style. Okay, consider blue color. Like this you can color the font. You can fill the color into your cells, I can say. Like this you people will be using these two options, string to fit and wrapping the text and filling the colors. Okay, not only this, you can fill the color with the mini toolbar also. If you are giving the right click button, if you are selecting this, if you are giving the right click, you people will be open with the mini toolbar, where you people will be having fill color and fill the text color. Okay, you can increase, decrease the size, you can change the style, you can go for bold, italic. Already we have discussed this, but as the topic came into the existence, just I am discussing it for one more time. I hope it is clear. In our upcoming lectures, we will be seeing the borders. Okay, how we will be giving the borders to our table. Okay, so this option is also available in your home tab. You people will be having borders like this. Okay, we'll discuss them in detail. Okay, after this. But as of now, you should understand how you people will wrap the text, how you people will fit the content of your cell. Okay, and how you people will color the cells and how you give the colors to your text. Okay, that is what we have discussed in today's session. I hope it is clear to you people. See you in the next one. We'll discuss about the borders. That's it for now. Thank you.